pretty high. Probably should not have crossed it, but oh well. I've not been over here in quite some time. Kind of surprised all those pallets are still here. I know this mud is just going to be super thick. Oh shit, forgot about that. It's like a big ravine right there. Today's actually pretty nice. It's in the low 60s. It's been extremely cold recently. I cannot wait until summer comes back, or just spring, because weather like this is just so nice to ride in. If they plan on leaving these things, because it'd be cool to try to move one to use it for a bridge. Also, I don't think I will be getting a four-wheeler or another dirt bike soon, unfortunately. I'm actually going to be most likely getting something like a different vehicle where I can take this places. I'm actually really into cars, so I've never had a truck or anything, but I definitely need to get something so I can go different places with this, and a few other reasons as well, but tired of riding the same spots all the time and want to go new places. And honestly, I'm at the point where I don't care if I go ride by myself, because that's all I do anyway. But definitely want to go take some like riding trips, different places, and I can care less if I go by myself. So here soon I'm going to be getting a vehicle that I can take this places, and even if I go by myself, it'll still be fun, because exploring new places and stuff like that, it's always cool. Just gets old riding in the same area, and honestly, not too sure if I'm ever gonna have anyone that actually wants to try to help clean this area up, and I'm definitely not gonna do it by myself, because I'm hoping I'm gonna be moving somewhere different in the future, not too far from now. But just don't want to waste so much time making trails and everything by myself, because it's definitely time consuming, and it would be kind of pointless if I'm gonna be going somewhere else later on. I was thinking about it the other day. I had a video a while back where someone that I used to ride with, he actually came over here and they were trespassers, and we had like a few encounters with them, but they were like leaving messages and stuff, and when they were here, for whatever reason, my buddy was like too scared to talk to him, and he called me, and I rode back with him, and pretty much told him that they're not allowed to be here. It's in one of my older videos, but I haven't seen the people back here since or anything, so that's good. But if they're trespassing, fuck them. And I think my buddy just may have been scared because they were hunting, but he didn't want to get shot or something, but fuck it, I wasn't worried about that. If I got shot, I got shot. I just wanted to make sure I recorded, because you never know what people are going to do these days. That's actually the guy in front of me that had the CRF450R. River's definitely flowing pretty good.